By Carnivore Tacos, it looks like Taco Bell. This is a healthier, super low-carb tortilla. It actually folds, it bends, it tastes like the real thing. But 3 hours earlier, this was a total disaster. Let me explain. I tried making this viral carnivore tortilla recipe I saw on YouTube, and it was a complete fail. It took me 3 hours, multiple batches, it still didn't work. If this has happened to you, I found the easiest game changer ever. Hey compassionate carnivores, today I'm saving you time, frustration, and wasted ingredients. If complicated carnivore tortilla recipes haven't worked for you, or you just don't have the patience, I have a simple solution that will completely change carnivore taco night. Now, I know a lot of people were very successful with this viral carnivore tortilla recipe. They must be professional chefs or something, but I heard a lot of people tried it and it didn't work out for them either. So if that was you, or if you just don't have the patience for a complicated carnivore recipe, I have an easy game changer that will completely change carnivore taco night. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, as it really helps you to push my videos out and may inspire others. Okay, so I wish I found this 3 hours ago. It is a healthy egg white wrap. I got this at Aldi's. It's also on Amazon. If you look it up, it might be at your local grocery store. So this is the ingredients. Cage-free egg whites, less than 2% of xanthan gum, which is a binder made through fermentation that helps keep the wrap flexible. Sea salt for flavor, natural flavor, which is a broad term for small amounts of flavor components from natural sources. It doesn't specify the exact source, which I personally don't like this one. And nisin, which is a natural preservative created through fermentation that helps keep it fresh. Compared to most regular tortillas, this is one of the cleanest store-bought options available. Most tortillas contain refined flour, seed oils, added sugars, preservatives to extend shelf life, and a ton of carbs. This one is mostly egg whites, but it does have those iffy ingredients. So no, it's not perfect, but it's definitely a healthier option if you're buying instead of making. It does have those 3 iffy ingredients, so if you're super strict and this isn't for you, that's totally fine. But if you want a convenient low-carb option that's still pretty clean, I'm going to show you 3 delicious, easy recipes to make with these healthy egg white wraps. First, we're making carnivore tacos. You need ground beef. I recommend 80-20 ground beef. It's way fattier and it makes it more flavorful and juicy. A block of any cheese of your choice. You want to get a block of cheese because pre-shredded cheese has anti-caking agents and a bunch of horrible additives to make it last longer. Also, when you shred your own, I think it tastes much better and fresher. A good thick sea salt, this is what's really going to bring out that rich, savory flavor. Sour cream, which is optional. You could really add any toppings you'd like to your tacos. This is just what I'm doing. Then you need your tortillas, whether it's store-bought or you made your own. You're going to need a frying pan, a wooden spatula, and a plate. I start off by turning the heat all the way on high so that my pan heats up nice and quickly. Then I add the ground beef and turn it back down to medium heat. Shred your cheese. I like to use the bigger holes on the grater because it makes the cheese nice and thick. Once your ground beef is cooked, add a good amount of salt to your liking and give it a nice stir. I like to get my ground beef really nice and crispy. Then you just put your tortilla shell in the pan. I did each side for about a minute and then flipped. I got the outside nice and crispy. Then add all your toppings. Boom! This took me not even 8 minutes to make. So simple and easy. Quick interruption. I have to shout out my sister Katie and I. We've been working so hard on our small business, compassionatecarnivore.store. We hand make 100% natural tallow-based skincare and beauty products. If you'd like to support us, you can use code TALLOW15 for 15% off and 2 free lip balms. By Carnivore Tacos, it looks like Taco Bell. Cheers. 10 out of 10. So simple and easy to make. Look at that. It tastes like a normal taco shell. That is absolutely delicious. This is actually absolutely insane. I wish I found this in the start of my carnivore journey. This is super low carb, so technically it's not pure carnivore because of those few iffy ingredients. But hey, I'll do me and you do you. Next, I'm turning this into a delicious quesadilla. All you need is cheese and your egg wrap. You're going to start by getting your tortilla nice and hot. I just kept flipping it on each side until it was piping hot. Then I added my cheese and folded it over. I kept pressing it down on each side until the cheese got nice and melted. Nice and gooey on the inside. This literally took me about 2 minutes. Boom! I just made a delicious, simple carnivore quesadilla. If you're someone who needs variety, this is such a game changer. It's low carb and so easy to make. You can dip it in anything you'd like. If you're just doing low carb, you could add a 0 carb hot sauce. If you wanted to level it up, you could add ground beef inside or even chicken. Super simple, super quick. Carnivore quesadilla. I haven't had a quesadilla in years. I got a little side of sour cream. 11 out of 10. That was so simple and easy to make. It's so cheesy and gooey in the middle. A healthy quesadilla. I know some people are going to get mad about the 3 iffy ingredients that were in here, but if you look at the back of a regular tortilla, it's a list of a lot more weird ingredients. So... Next, we're making carnivore chips and queso. Start by putting your oven on broil as low as it can go. Mine was 350 degrees. While that's heating up, we're going to start on the queso. You'll need a cube of butter, a splash of heavy cream. This is what makes it creamy and thick. Slowly add your cheese, stir, and then add a little more. Keep stirring until it turns into a thick, creamy, gooey queso. Now for the chips, just watch them closely because they cook very fast. You'll know when they're done when they're crispy and crunchy. Boom, carnivore chips. This is what I love about these healthier egg wraps. You can literally turn them into so many things. Tacos, quesadillas, and chips in minutes. I could think about 10 more recipes you could make with these wraps. It makes carnivore feel flexible instead of restrictive. A lot of people say they can't do carnivore because they need variety. But with beef, butter, bacon, and eggs, you can make so many delicious things. If you're trying to slowly get off standard American foods like tortilla and chips, this is such an easy swap. It gives you that crunch and texture without the refined flours, seed oils, and crazy carb count. And texture matters. Sometimes it's not even about the flavor. It's about the crunch, the fold, the bite. When you get that back, it makes staying low carb so much easier. Cheesy and gooey. Listen to that crunch. Well, that is how you make 3 easy, super delicious carnivore recipes using these egg white shells. Super game changer. Thank you so very much for watching. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe as it really helps YouTube push my videos out and may inspire others. I wish you all the very best today and always bye. Beep.